touch the sky. What a perfect pillow for my head! Dive right in! Morning! Side to side, side to side. Feet. Late. Pride. More.
Down the street and round the bend bay, waiting there with all my friends.
Buzzy bus, here we go. Off to school with friends we know. Windows down and wind so free. Singing loud, just you and me. Almost there, the school in view, Mets. Big adventures waiting too. Come on, guys. Last one there is a rotten egg. Hey, wait for me. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to class. Hi, teacher. We're so excited to be here. Good morning, everyone. I'm so happy to see you all sitting crisscross applesauce, ready for our story. Let's explore the alphabet together. Ooh, A is for apple.
All right, team, let the hunt begin. We're coming for you. Far.
We can make the whole alphabet. This is so much fun.
Passed.
We're finally done. Last one there is a rotten egg. To the swings. Woohoo! That was awesome.
Let's go again.
We're next. I'm so glad we decided to go together. Me too. It's much more fun this way.